Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, today we will discuss about the CMOS. What is CMOS and how it works. So you can see here there is a combination of two MOSFET. One is P-Channel MOSFET and one is N-channel MOSFET. So you will be aware how P-channel MOSFET work and how N-channel MOSFET work. So to work the P-channel MOSFET, its gate should be low, and to work the N-channel MOSFET, its gate should be high. So at a one time only one MOSFET will be on. If you give here high signal, then this MOSFET will be off and this MOSFET will be on. So what will happen? When this MOSFET will be on, this point will be connected with the ground. Okay, so here will be ground point. And when the low signal will be applied, so what will happen? The P channel MOSFET will on and N channel MOSFET will off. So this point will be positive. Okay, this supply will be reach here. So it will be high. And due to the off of this MOSFET, there will be no ground and this point connection here. So current will flow like here. If you connect any load like this here to ground, so current will flow like this. So this is called the complementary CMOS, complementary MOS, and generally it is used in switching circuit. Okay, so you can see here when the I give high here, here is low, and if I give low here, here will be high at the output. So it is just you can say here it is work like a inverter. If you give here high signal, you will get here low, and if you give here low signal, here will be at output you will get high. So I hope you got this video, and if you got this video, so please like and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon and find the notification for coming video. Thank you.